In this problem, we need to find a suitable point to shift the origin so that the equation no longer includes any first degree terms. Meaning, we have, let's say, the old origin. The old origin, that means, is at O with coordinate 0, 0 with respect to the coordinate axis x and y. Fine. Now what we'll do, we're going to shift it to a new origin such that it is at O prime with h, k as the coordinates, and this is going to be with respect to x and y axis. Now our goal will be to transform this given equation such that the new transform equation is not going to contain any first degree term. So what should be the value of that particular origin? Okay, so let's begin. So here we have the given equation: x squared plus y squared minus 4x minus 8y plus 3 equals to 0. Now since we have shifted the old origin from O to O prime, so that means we can make the substitution x with x plus h and y with y plus k. So such that now we are going to get, in place of equation, in this old equation, so what we'll do, we're going to replace the value of x with x plus h whole squared. Then in place of y, we're going to replace with y plus k. So with it, we have y plus k whole squared minus 4 times x plus h minus 8 times y minus y plus k plus 3 equals to 0. Let's simplify it. Now we're going to get x squared plus 2xh plus h squared plus y squared plus 2yk plus k squared minus 4x minus 4h minus 8y minus 8k plus 3 equals to 0. Fine. Now what we'll do, we'll combine some terms. So here we have x squared plus y squared. Now we're going to combine the terms containing x. So here, if we take x as the common factor, so from 2xh we are left with 2h. Then we go to negative 4x. So from here, we are going to be left with negative 4. Then we're going to combine the terms containing y. So here we have 2yk. So we're going to be left with only 2k. Then here we have negative 8y. So we're going to be left with negative 8. Then what we are left here is the constant terms. So we have h squared plus k squared minus 4h minus 8k plus 3 equals to 0. So this is going to be the transformed equation. However, in the problem itself, it was given here that after transformation, that the new transform equation must not contain any first degree terms. So there are two first degree terms. One is the term that contains x and the other, the term contains y. Since they should not exist in a transformed equation, so that means here we are going to say that 2h minus 4 must go to 0 and 2k minus 4, so that also must go to 0. So let's solve for the value of h. So h will be 2 and k value, that will be equals to 4. So that means our new origin, the new origin, which is given by the coordinates h, k, so that's going to be 2, 4. So at this new origin, so this transform equation is going to be like, okay, let's write it down. So we have x squared plus y squared. So the terms containing x and y, these are the first degree terms, so they will cease to exist, and we are left with a constant term, h squared plus k squared minus 4h minus 8k plus 3 equals to 0. So this is going to be the transformed equation.